Hi everyone. There is a question that someone sent to me today, and the student wanted me to explain how we can derive this quadratic formula. Upon going through the process, it is something very easy. This is something very easy, and before we start, we are just going to write the formula itself. Then we see the variables that are there. Then I'll introduce to you the primary quadratic equation with no numbers, but with just some letters as the coefficients of the variables to help us derive this equation, and this formula. The equation, because quadratic equation is an equation of degree 2, we are going to use a method called the completing square method to come up, which is the primary method of solving quadratic equations, to generate the quadratic formula, which is minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over, make sure the whole of this numerator is all over the denominator, which is 2ac, and this is the value of x in an equation. So this is what we call quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. So this is a formula used to solve the quadratic equations in finding the value of x in an equation. And the quadratic equation is an equation to the degree 2, a degree 2 equation, which has, it can either have the coefficients before the variable, or it can just have a one figure coefficient, which is x squared. So for us to derive this, because we need a general formula, we let the coefficients of x be a, x squared be a, then coefficients of x to be b, then anything that is not a variable is a constant, and we equate it to 0. This means all this equation equals to 0. So our b squared is, our b is here, the coefficients of x, and our a is here, the coefficients of x squared. So we have coefficients. We have x squared as a coefficient, then x has b as the coefficient. Coefficient is the number of those variables. Like when you say you have a letter L and there are two L's, this 2 is a coefficient of L, meaning the L are 2. That's the meaning of coefficients. Let's go on. Let's just try to think about it. It is for all of us. I don't want anyone to be left behind. And the way you are there, make sure everything we do here is documented somewhere, so that when such a question comes, we don't redo, we just refer to what was done before. And our YouTube channel is active. For anyone who doesn't understand it, who cannot understand it at the first point, you can go there and review it. The formula itself is b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a as the value of x. So the quadratic equation that we want to solve is a x squared plus b x plus c equals to 0. Using by completing square method, we have, when we are using completing square method, first constant must move to the outside this equation sign, meaning at the right side, at the left side of this equation, we will have variables alone. And at the right side of the equation, we'll have the constants only. So that will be our first step. The first step will be taking constant outside the equation side, which is ax squared plus bx equals to, because this is positive, when it crosses equal sign, it becomes negative. That is it. I hope that's mastered. Let us continue. The next thing we are going to do, because we have already taken our constant outside, we are remaining with this equation this way. This one equals to negative c. So that's the quadratic equation. And we're going to use this equation to give us this quadratic formula. By completing square method, the first thing we are going to do here is to make coefficient of x squared 1. That's the first thing. In this process, the first thing you do is making the coefficients of x squared be 1. And by doing so, we'll have divide both sides by a, both sides by a, both sides by a. So that we have x squared plus b over ax equals to minus c over a. That is it. Then by completing square, we have x squared plus b over a x plus dash. We'll add this equals to negative c over a plus dash. If you add 1 here, 1 must be here to balance the equation. And by completing square, we mean this one here, which is y, will be a half the coefficient of x squared. Half coefficient of x, which is b over a, all of this squared, which will give us something like this. We'll have x squared plus b over a x plus b over 2a squared equals to negative c over a plus b over 2a, all this squared. That's it. The next will be, when you factorize, you will come up with x plus b over 2a, all that, this one squared, then it will be equals to negative c over a plus b squared all over 4a squared, when you expand that one. Our board is small and we'll just have to do it. We use what we have to get what we don't know. Use what you have to get what you don't know. As from there, we shall go on with this. All of this is squared, and the all of this one, the all of this one is not, this is squared. So when we want to do away with this squared sign, we are going to find the square root of both sides. And that one will be x plus b over 2a squared equals to the square root negative c over a plus b squared all over 4a squared. So the square root of this must be the same as the square root of that. So from this side we shall have what? We shall have x plus b over 2a, because it's combined under one bracket. Then this one, we should put it under one denominator, which shall be equals to the square root of everything must be over 4a squared. A goes into 4a squared, negative 4, a times, it goes there, negative 4a times. 4a goes here 4a times. 4a times, this one will be negative 4ac. This 4a squared goes here once. 1 times b squared is b squared. So the next thing will be to find the square root, because we can easily find this square root to help us do the factorization. So this one will be x plus b over 2a equals to the square root of, let's interchange this one to make it easy, b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. We have 2a, 2a. The next thing, take this one that side, we remain here with x equals to b over 2a plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. All under one denominator will come here with will come here with negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all of this into 2a over 2a, which is the equation here. So the quadratic equation is just a solution of a completing square method of a quadratic function. Thank you.